in the previous videos that we have done on Log4j activity, we showed how to detect this with searches, but we never show any rule actually working in here. Let's actually change that. I'm here in my use case manager, and I installed this package that was released recently. I believe that this is Gladys Koska's team. We can see these particular rules. And let me start with this one that was actually created by my friend Josh Mooring. I'll show you how easy this is. You have seen in the previous videos how the Log4j vulnerability consists on having in fields that are not validated, like request URL, HTTP user agent, and others. The GNDI with either LDAP, RMI, LDAP, S, or DNS, right? Well, here's a simple logic on how you can create a rule that can detect that. Actually, I replay the pickups in QNI, and these rules fire very well. The other ones that were created by the other team are basically based on hashes. Okay, and we will get to show you this in a second, but basically these are all created for you, and they come with all the hashes and all the stuff, except for this one that is similar to the one that Josh created. This is collecting from the actual logs, So the other one works with flows, QNI, and most of these videos have been exclusively on QNI. But this one show working with flows. If you get Apache, Amazon, Microsoft, etc., you can read the rest. But it can actually detect those patterns in there. So it's a nice package to actually have. If we go to the data management app, we have in here that the package, when you install it, put all these hashes, SHA, MD5, and SHA-256, of different components that have been known to work with Log4j. So, again, quick video just to show that if you want to add rules that can detect Log4Shell, it's not that you want to do the searches manually, you can do so. I will encourage you to install this package, and I will complement it with the one that Josh did, and I'm sure that Gladys will be updating this package soon, so the latest version that you have, I'm sure will have more rules and more hashes as the bad guys continue to exploit this vulnerability in different ways.